Let's see what she can do.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Long Island, New York, WILLOW.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
Just look at the determination in her eyes. She is more than ready.
Think they're ready to go? Think this is going to be a good one? I cannot wait. Oh, from behind, from out of nowhere. Cheap shot ambush. A cheap shot and act of cowardice. Doesn't care that the match is thrown out.
Yeah, but at this point, Cole, neither care about winning. It's about destroying the other.
Loathing can't be contained. So how will this all end? You heard the bell ring. Match is underway. Falls count anywhere. There are no disqualifications. There are no countouts.
The disdain these superstars share for one another is palpable. The vitriol is through the roof.
We won't have to worry about a ring containing them because this one could end up anywhere.
Headed out to the arena floor now. She's not looking to be fancy. She is looking to be effective. And that is exactly what a steel chair is.
Now looking for something to waylay her opponent with.
She's looking to bash the competition with that sledgehammer.
Referee setting the hardware aside, clearing the way for any future damage.
Back into the ring she comes.
Man, just ate that elbow. The referee was in a bad position there.
A really great swinging neck breaker.
Carried in a jeopardizing position here.
The official removing that potential hazard in the ring.
In the corner now, she needs to fight out of it.
Delivers an axe handle. She had that scouted. You certainly want to have
This is turning into a brawl. Oh, this exchange is whipping this capacity crowd into a frenzy. Clearly now being fueled by a righteous fury. And this bloodthirsty crowd is loving it.
Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up. This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders. Big clothesline looking to turn the tides in this matchup. A third clothesline, this superstar's rolling. Nothing fancy here, just raw power. Being able to pull that off, no one is going to question if you skip going to the gym today.
Oh, ouch. Driven into that corner. What do we want to see?
and retaliates with a counter.
Sinclair able to get out of the way.
And WREN didn't see that coming.
Big clothesline looking to turn the tides in this matchup. A third clothesline, this superstar's rolling.
And once again, she's put on the back foot.
And I don't think we've even seen the worst of this Falls Count Anywhere match yet.
Absolute hatred boiling over in this one. This continues to be personal, not just professional.
You're right, Cole. Sure, either side would love to beat the other in competition, but this is more about beating them down physically and mentally. Anytime, any place. Damn the consequences. Drop toe hold.
Oh, she retaliates.
Lots of counters from each athlete. Impenetrable defense.
opponent's arm out. Oh, my goodness.
Wants to finish this. Oh, nobody home for that.
And look at this. Did you hear that thud?
Sinclair is completely out of it.
He's going to try again. What a way to win a singles match. Let's take another look at these women in action.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't seen the point now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't seen the point. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.